509 Northeast 82nd Street. We're sitting here at the tie-in with the shared line at 8 feet deep out near the front steps of the property. Due to an excessive amount of turns in the line, I'm unable to get past this point. So I'm going to record back and from here as we go. This is all the responsibility of the homeowner. This is not a shared responsibility. From here past this point on would be shared responsibility. From here back would be sole responsibility. Here's what appears to be a Y on the side of the house. It's a tie-in. I'm going to go test this real quick. This spot is located 1 foot deep in the middle of the driveway, right next to the driveway drain. I'm assuming this is the driveway drain tie-in right there. Some pocking going on, some pock marks, and a small hairline crack. I'm going to locate that real quick. It's 1 foot deep in the driveway right on the side of it. This is the turn leaving the house. I'm going to go locate this real quick. Alright, that's 3 feet deep on the northeast corner of the house. It looks like we're actually still coming back through clay. So this runs outside the house here. And it's clay all the way back. This is where I leave the house here, so I'm going to locate this real quick. It's 2 feet deep right outside this wall here, and then we're coming back into cast. I'm going to end the recording there and go make a couple more locates.